Guys, I'm going out again. I know. Gonna go for a river walk with her. She's raring to go. She's been crying. I've been packing the car and she's been in the house crying. So she's sulking a bit. Yeah, gonna stay localish tonight. I've got to be away early in the morning, so yeah, I can't really go too far. So I'll see you out there. Go! A lovely river. In between Coedpoeth and Bersham. So yeah, there's a lovely waterfall down here as well. So she's dying to get down there. Look at her, she's going to bloody fall in a minute. You idiot dog. Up. Yeah. I know people say, oh, you got a Malinois, you shouldn't be off lead. Some people train them as protection dogs, and yeah, then they shouldn't be off lead. The correct training and socialisation, she's fine. Bloody awesome to be in fact. It's like as if she has to get there before you to check it out, make sure it's safe and you're safe. Yeah. 14 weeks old. And she's thinking like that already. Now I see some things on my travels. But never a popper blue. What can you say to that? Oh my god. At least I haven't got to hide in the bushes and have a wee. Don't you dare. Yeah, she's a bugger, honestly. She's dying to get close to that river. There's some good, where the water comes down here, well, by there is a good bathing pool. Don't know if the camera's really making how deep that is, but trust me, it is. I still can't get that out of my head, the pop-up toilet tent, or shower tent, whatever you want to call it. It's just there in the woods. I don't know. A stunning walk. Well, that's pretty deep. She doesn't have a drink. She's just too focused on looking or searching and that'll teach you for wandering off. I just hid, I didn't press record quick enough, but I hid and shouted her. She was looking for a bit, she couldn't, she's crying. Yes, that'll teach you. Honestly. When you think of a Malinois, it's just having something that goes 100 miles an hour at idiot pace. She just throws herself into everything. Doesn't matter if she gets hurt. She's insane, honestly. Look at this. Yeah, if you hear something coming past like a herd of horses, it's just her. She's that heavy-footed. Thumper, we should have called her, honestly. Even grass, concrete, you hear her footsteps. She just thumps everywhere. If you go back in my channel when I'm here with Bella, I'll show you exactly where I camped. Just looking at it right now. It's right there. There was a stone by there where I sat and had my tea. Yeah, when she comes back with her name call, I've rewarded completely different every time. Sometimes she'll have one, maybe off one treat or 4 treats, or a handful of treats, which is payday. She gets a handful, so she never knows what she's getting, so she always comes back. Because it's like a game now, she wants to know what she's getting. And it works. Sometimes I call her back and I don't reward her, I just give her a fuss. She gives me daggers like, but potential spots there. Yeah. I'm quite looking forward to tent camping again. See, I haven't done it in the winter, I haven't got the right gear. And the temperatures we've been having, yeah, I'm glad that I made that decision not to go tent camping, to be honest, and I did the car out. Her indoors will be happy that she'll have the car back as normal. Oh, I love a crisp walk though. She's nudging my hand, she wants treats. No, bugger off. You haven't earned them. Everything's got to be an earn. Oh, I might be calling in that pop-up tent for a week. I'm bursting. Yeah, when you come to places like this and the leaves are down and you're thinking, oh God, that looks good over there for the tent, or that looks good over there. When you come here and the leaves and the shrubs are out and you're thinking, I've got to spend about 2 hours clearing it all the way just to put my tent down. Surprising how much it changes. Yeah. Come on, mate. Come on. Come on. Go. Wow. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. She stayed with me then because it was a technical bit. Making sure I was alright. I grabbed onto a collar and she stayed. Didn't pull. Yeah, it is like she reads the situation. Yeah. There's no other way to describe her, really. She's just absolutely amazing. When she matures, bloody hell, she's going to be incredible. Yeah, that's one trail I ain't going on. So we're going to pick this one. Up, over, come. Okay. Yeah, we were at the bottom trail all going up there. And this one goes up there. I wonder what she'll do with these stones if I go across. Go! Let's try it again. See what she does. No, Sage! Up here! Up! Come! Come! Oh, she's just jumped in the water. Good girl! Good girl! Yeah, the waterfall behind me now, we used to jump off that when we were kids, into that, and yeah, that is pretty deep. As I remember, yeah, very, very deep to be honest. But there's a lot of little pools around here that, yeah, you've got to watch. You've got to know the river, put it that way. Yeah, even there would be up to my waist or more. So, yeah, that is extremely deep. Going up now. She's got my arm with the camera. Sorry about that. Yeah, going up now. Down there was the bottom walk. Yeah, that's the walk that we've just done down by the river. And now, oh, we're up here. I don't know if you just heard that, but she's just fallen from there. Landed there. Literally got no fear, these dogs, honestly. See? My heart's in my mouth with it, honestly. It's like having a toddler on the edge of a cliff. Oh my God. Yeah. She's insane. So that's eye level, and then all down there is the walk that we just done. A couple in. Oh, you didn't have to put on the lead. So the two dogs met, and yeah, she jumped over everybody. I gotta try and get her out of there. But she has a fuss first, then she gets too excited, and then she jumps on you. Yeah. I won't say that again. Oh no, you don't have to put on the lead. Well, we've got snow next week, haven't we? High school temperatures and snow. Dear me. Yeah, she comes in walking right next to you. She comes in that close to you. I've trodden her 3 times today, just on this walk alone. So, either she's got to correct herself or I've got to watch where I'm walking. Because she does come in right, she's tripped. She does come in really close to you. You know, to the point where her head and her shoulder are on your thigh. So yeah, I've caught her front right paw 3 times. Right, Let's head back to the car, because it's coffee time. You all know me? Always got time for a coffee. Let's get back. What, you want to race? Go! Oh, I've been back about 10 minutes now. And yeah, made myself a coffee. She's had a water drink. Oh, reminds me, I've got to empty that bowl before I start driving. Yeah. I guarantee the next time I speak to you, I'll be like mopping up the back end. Water everywhere. So I'm just going to sit here now, enjoy my coffee. And I'm on the panoramic walk now, but that's what it's called, the panoramic walk. It's a lay-by pull-in, and I was only here 10 minutes, and a van pulled up that side and another van's come this side. But yeah, I'll show you my view now. That's from inside the car where I'm sitting. So yeah, it's not too bad. She's just been fed. So that walk all along the river knackered her. Yeah, she slept all the way when I was driving round, and when I came over the tops, yeah, she was still sleeping. So I've got some noodles cooking at the moment. They're just finishing off, and it is quite warm. It's showing it's it's just gone to 8 degrees outside, and it's 20 in here now because I just had the kettle on as well to boil the water for my noodles. So I'm gonna eat them now. And yeah, sorry I didn't film much. It's just driving, and yeah, who wants to see just open road? No, I just had my tea now, and yeah, just noodles, basic noodles. She's flat out on the floor here. So I got a film to watch on my phone. I think I got a few on there. I got Top Gun, the old one in 1986, and I got someone else on there, I can't think what it is now. Oh, King Kong. So I'll pick one of them. I'm going to watch a film now. I'm going to chillax. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just going to have a chill now and watch a film. I don't know if it's have a beer or not. It's non-alcoholic, I know, but I might just get a coffee. Saturday night, eh? Coffee. Yeah, if nothing happens, I'll catch you lot in the morning. Don't be late. Good morning. Oh, it's quite fresh. It's 1 degree. See it? Oh my god. She's trying to pick up bones. Sheep bones, I think it is. Idiot. Oh yeah, got the runny nose. I haven't had one of them in the morning for a while. Great sleep. So she woke me up, it's 25 to 8. When she woke me up, it's probably about 10:45 to now. And yeah, she was crying to go to the toilet. There was a quick dressed, chucked her out. Yeah, look at all this though. Stunning, absolutely stunning. Oh, what a great morning. I'm going to get a coffee on the go anyway. I'm heading back to the van. Yeah, go get a coffee. 'Cause you all know me. Yeah. I was pretty chuffed with them. Are they snowbells I found in the forest yesterday in the woods? The white ones? I know the bluebells are bluebells. So are they snowbells or? Can't think. Ooh, the kettle on now. It's quite a bit of condensation. That's just due to how cold it is outside. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the outside. It's saying it's 2 now. It was 1 when I went out. And it's 6 degrees in here. And it's 7:48. So, yeah, it is a bit chilly. It's a lot warmer in here than what it is out there though, so there's 6 degrees. It may sound cold, but yeah, when you're out that wind, it just feels a lot warmer. Oh, come on kettle. No, loves a bit. She climbed in bed with me again this morning. Woke me up with a kiss. Yeah. It's funny though, when she's with me, like this, since yesterday we left, I haven't had one bite off her. Seriously, just licks all the time. She's so loving. And yet you get her home with the other 2 dogs and she just becomes this insane idiot. Biting, you can't stroke her, she just bites. When they say a Belgian Malinois is the same as a Velociraptor or Piranha, yeah, it's exactly that. First drink of the morning. If you like coffee. She just wants a breakfast. No. Because you look at the ball and she'll look at you and you're like, no, come on. And then she just dives straight in then. Oh yeah. Joggers, I don't know what's wrong with joggers. Hey, they've done nothing to you. Is it the high vis? They got high vis vests on. Dear me, she did it earlier. The bloke in high vis. Like, no, they're after the bike coming in. That's the first one I've had all day of play mode, is it? Look. Yeah, but what's wrong with joggers? Come on, give me a phone. What's wrong with them? What have they done to you? Nothing. Yeah, guys, gonna end this one here. So, yeah, I don't know if you can see here, but from Sage and myself, always be safe, and till the next one. Take care, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.